Hi, this is Patty Frucci with My Florida Dreams. We are at 199 Poinciana Drive in Colony Cove, which is in Ellenton, Florida, and we're going to take a tour of this great house. Good bones for the money. We're in the living room, which is open to the front lanai. This is an unfurnished home. Living room is open to the dining room that has built-in cabinetry and a walk-through kitchen. Kitchen's very bright and cheerful colors. Newer appliances. And to our left is the guest room, which holds queen furniture very comfortably. To our right is the guest bath, nice and open with a tub shower. This home also backs up to a tree-lined area, so it's nice and private in the rear. Master bedroom has double closets, window seat, nice and large. Master bath also has a large walk-in closet with a private tub shower area. Okay, what'd you think? This is a great house for $12,000. So if you are interested, give me a call. This one's going to go quick. Thanks.